hello. Is there one and only the DJ? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Today topic now about an angry woman. Like the woman just like she did piece off, like she really needs una advice. Like the thing really, something just expect your husband just do unto you. Like you just did disappointed, really, like seriously. This lady say she know this man. She get 3 children before. This man know. This man they aware. So the man come tell her say he go marry her. He say okay, oh, no problem. Then as they date now, Belle come enter. As Belle enter now, the guy say make you born the pikin. Not be say she force herself born for this man now. This man I say yes, make it born. Then she can't really born for the man. And she born for the man, she can't get Belle. He said so when she get a Belle, so the man see day. Like the man never really show a character, So she did with this man, everything they go away. He said so when she really born pikin, after 1 week, 9 years with the man, they talk to one girl for Nigeria. They insult herself in presence of the girl. Now she come to say, who you dey insult they for another person? Say the guy not talk. I come meet the guy. They hear me. What did they bring all those ones? Now that girl say they lie with him. That one with the Nigeria. So he don't know say the relationship of him and that girl for Nigeria is serious. She don't know. He said so after everything. So the guy come say one go Nigeria for visits. No, he say this guy want go marry that girl for Nigeria. The girl no know. So as the guy reach Nigeria now, he can't go marry that girl for Nigeria. As he go marry the girl, some men and this girl just born 3 months now became day so. The guy don't go they put money for another woman. And they promise this guy say if he reach Nigeria, he go do introduction for this girl. He reach Nigeria now, he can't go they do with another woman for Nigeria. So rumor can't reach where this girl dey. So as the girl come they ask him, the girl come they tell him say, what did they happen? What in the year so? He say no problem now. The girl na Nigeria he did and I mean with you day Europe, you don't mean anything. After all, now Europe you day. Girls for Nigeria, say they not they trust them. They not the two trust them. If he come back to Europe now, he go come. The girl if you go they sleep with Jogodo with another man. After all, I mean with you now in the year. I was like, this I don't understand. So say girls for Nigeria, they know they take them serious. What did they do? They go they Jogodo with another man. And you can still go ahead, go marry for Nigeria. Me, I don't understand this guy. I can't ask the guy. You just say this guy they okay. He say no. Now you come tell and say, so now you can still go marry girl for Nigeria. He say so as they talk, you know say he never caught phone. He can't hear where the mama they tell and say, what do you want make you can't go marry now? This girl for Europe, they okay for you. Picking when they born for you, fine. What will be the problem? He say, after all, the girl get 3 children now. So he get right to marry another person. After all, he now robo man. So robo man if he marry any 5 wives, if you don't mean anything. I was like, my people, how would I reason this thing? This guy they okay. The girl they beat her like the girl really they beat her. Even the way she did they talk to me. She really in pains, like she they cry. Say no expect this one from this guy. Because this guy now one make her now another second single mother. The guy be. So the girl really they in pains, like the girl just they go crazy. So the guy now can't call her. You can't call her my friend and then go so come back. Not be say you go to misbehave yourself. This one are just normal marriage. After all, the girl not deal with her for a year. If the girl wait, he not come back. The girl if he goes to Jogodo with another man now. After all, so now he make you're not supposed to 2 verse. Say you're not supposed to 2 verse. He say it don't mean anything. The one with the evil the tire me be say, he know say girls for Nigeria, they not the feel wait for man. Then what you come make you now still go marry? What you come make you still go jogodo with another woman for Nigeria now? As you come know, say they not the feel wait. Me, I don't understand this guy. So the girl say just dey pace because if this guy come back, come be house, he say me not come go because of the guy go do what he not supposed to do. Now the beggar say I beg, me she not do anything stupid, me she not do am. Me she just if you know say you go dey pace if the guy come, it's better you not open door for after all. They know they stay together. So it's better you know just open door for the guy. Because if you open door for this guy now, problem fit come. One thing or the other fit happen. You understand? So now I call the beggar. So my people, if now you where they wash me, now you face to take this kind guy back. This girl you're born picking for her. Beautiful baby. 3 months now the baby just did so. When this guy begin just go marry another woman for Niger. You where they wash me, if now your sister this thing happen to her, you tell advice her. Make this girl take this guy back. Or make you boof this guy. I know, and that's the I don't just know. He's saying they come back very soon. That is why I want for me to see advice single mothers them. I beg, if you don't want follow man, if you don't say you don't feel born like 3, 4, don't follow man when never born. Follow man when be say you don't still feel born before. You understand? Because all those guys will be say some of them their head not they are so. Some of them not the way they say the reason they different for other people. You understand? So I beg. If you don't say you never feel you don't feel born like 3, 4, don't just go for man way. And if man they misbehave to you, you see the character at the beginning, I be not born for her. Not born for her because some of them their head not there, especially when woman don't feel born. You have to look before you enter. Because some men as they show that they are mumu character, and so they show and they go. See this one now. You want them to say this guy get sense. Person way they say in no say women for Nigeria. You know now, women for Nigeria, they're not the way they say they behave. In no already. They want to come make you now still go marry girl for Nigeria. That part me I not they understand from this guy. So my ogbonge people now the matter where they grant them be this one. The thing shockalize me like seriously. The thing shockalize me like you know how person be. You see go ahead, you go marry her. You say you know now, see girls for Nigeria. The way they say they behave. I can't say I don't understand. So my people, I beg. When I may advise this lady, if now you go still go ahead with this guy. You go forgive her. How you go feel? Make she both the guy move on with her life, or make she see upset the guy back. I beg, Mona leave on a comment, or I beg genuine comment so that she go really know how she go take pick 1 or 2 advice for herself, because she go watch the video later. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and bye.